Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my YouTube channel, How to Browser, where I'll give you guys a solution for your problem. I'll provide you with solutions for your problem. So in this video, I'll be walking you through the entire process of how you can add a text behind the object or a moving object or behind a person. Alright, so let's jump right into the video. What you need to do right now is to open Capcut, and then let's tab on new project. Please guys, follow along with me so you don't have any problems. And yeah, let's go guys. Tab on new project. Now add your desired video. This is my video. Before going any further, let's tap on Capcut watermark and delete the watermark by tapping on the delete button. Okay, now what we need to do is to select the video and then tab on remove background. Alright, now the background is relatively removed, kind of. I mean, it's not bad, the application is not bad, is the app, so for an app I think it's pretty good, the remove backgrounds option. So now what you need to do now is deselect the video and go to canvas and go to color and select a green color, a green background. Now save the video. The video is exporting and we are ready to go. Now what you need to do is to create a new project. Tap on the new project and select the initial video, the original video, and now add. As you can see, we have here the video. Remove the watermark. So remove the watermark and tab on delete. And now let's add the text. Okay, so the video is not selected, so you have this option, text, add text, and let's add our text. Show keyboard. Let's see, what should we write here? What can we write here? Okay, my message in this clip that I'm editing right now is, let's see, I'll write you can or you can win, you can win the battle. You can win the battle with yourself. The big monster is yourself and the fighter is you. That's kind of like what I want to. Okay, now let's choose the style. Tab on style or font. No, sorry, on the font. Right. So let's choose Falcon. This looks good. Yeah, I like this one. It's like the words were scratched, so they so yeah, I like the style, the font. So tab on here, and now let's see. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. Tab on text, and or better even, tab on the text, yeah. And yeah, let's add animation, glitch, or yeah, I think the glitch is the best one. Yeah, okay, I'll choose this one. And now what you need to do is to move the title, the text, excuse me, move the text where you want. If this video, guys, is helpful, by the way, please drop a like, guys, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll appreciate this a lot. I'll move this here, and I'll add from here a keyframe, and then I'll move the video and I'll put it right here, and then here, but let's increase the text, and now increase the time like this. Let's see how it looks like. Actually, let's remove this keyframe, and let's add another one here, and then I'll do this. Alright, let's see now. Yeah, looks good to me. Okay, now save the video. Done. Now let's add a new project, and let's add the initial video, the text, the one with the text. Add, and let's select the watermark, delete the watermark. And what you need to do right now is to head over to the overlay and tab on overlay, tab again on overlay, and select the one we created with the green background, background. Add, and now increase the size. Okay, select the video, increase the size, and okay. Now select the one with the green background, and tab on, or first look for scroll left or swipe left, whatever, and then look for chroma key, and now tab on chroma key, please. Okay, now let's move this circle down here to the green, and once you move the screen, this is really important, because if you don't move this circle to the background, so this will remove the background, you need to target exactly the color, like not this color, the black here. We need the green one. We want the background to be removed. So yeah, increase the intensity now. Increase. And now tab OK. For you it might be less. For me, I need to increase to 100%, but for you maybe you just need 2 or 3. Sometimes I need it only 2 or 3, depends. So yeah, increase to now 100 now, and tab OK. Now as you can see, I have the title behind the monster. That's where I wanted, this creature. But let's it's exactly the same. All right, now let's add like few filters. Where is the filter I'm looking for? I want to add select the video, guys. Please select the video and go to adjust. So make this video more. Let's see now. Let's go to brightness. Increase a little bit of brightness and the contrast. Increase the brightness and now increase the contrast as well. And the saturation and exposure and sharpness. Alright, let's see. You can win the battle. Okay guys, so that's the tutorial. I hope this tutorial solved your problem or your question, the question you had before. Now you know what you need to do. And if this video, guys, helped you, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also drop a comment down below if you have any problems. I'll respond to your comment in a really short amount of time. So yeah guys, take care and see you in the next video. Export the video, by the way. See you guys.